Are you looking to expand your knowledge of personal finance and investing strategies? Reading the right books can really help you build a strong foundation and make smarter financial decisions. Today, I'm going to share the best financial related books that are going to teach you the essentials of managing money and investing wisely. So, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, okay? Let me say this. One of the top books is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, okay? This classic is widely regarded as one of the best books on value investing and long-term wealth building, okay? Another must-read is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, I'll put this in the description for you. This book teaches valuable lessons about financial literacy, the importance of investing, and how to think like the wealthy, okay? Now, if you're looking to learn more about personal finance, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a great book that offers step-by-step planning for getting out of debt and building wealth, all right? So, The Simple Path to Wealth, also by J.L. Collins, is a fantastic read for those who want to understand investing in index funds and the importance of capital independence, okay? Of financial independence. For a deep dive into psychology of investing, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, that's what it's called, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel, offers insights into market trends and investment strategies that can help you make smarter decisions. These books are all going to help you grow your financial knowledge, improve your investing strategies. So if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.